Welcome to day 19 of the Tacoma build, and today we got our coilovers back from all seasons this morning. Let's throw them in.
Brought to you in part by Alpine Toyota, Martech Engineering, and in part by...
I think I'm gonna do it one side at a time just to be as easy as possible. But first, we need to take out these king coilovers. I know, some of you will say it's a downgrade, but I think these FOAs will be just fine. The kings were a little rough. Right there, I suppose. And the jack. And up. Perfect. So now that the old coilovers are out, we're gonna have to go like up, like 6 to 8 inches with the truck to throw these guys in. Or take a tire off. I'm gonna take a tire off. Nothing to see here. Absolutely nothing sketchy with this operation. Are you free? You're free? As I said, nothing sketchy. But I'm gonna try to spend as minimal time underneath the truck as possible. And now, we bring the axle down. Preferably at a slow rate of speed. That was close. There we go. All right, let's measure. This looks like more than enough now. We're there. The coilover is installed, so let's throw this tire back on and see what ride height looks like on this side. One side down, one more to go.
She ain't mine, but she looks fine. Gonna take some time, gonna make her mine, gonna make her mine. I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can. Well, she lets her hair down. She drives me wild, and she looks in my eyes. Hell yeah!
It would appear that I got the coilovers in just in time. It's starting to rain / hail. Anyways, I am extremely stoked to have this thing on its own. I mean, it was on its own weight before, but now it's on its weight on coilovers. It's not just super rough now. However, I did change my order from 10 to 12 inch coilovers, and I think they still sent the springs that are for the 10 inch, which is why there's so much shaft showing here. It'll work, honestly. It should be just fine. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these FOA coilovers forever or if I'm going to upgrade in the future anyways, but for now, she's mint. And now, I guess is a great time to see, does it fit in the shop? I forgot that I had the camera set up, and I couldn't have gone much closer than that without knocking it over. Like, there's like half an inch of room to spare. That was almost disastrous. But it wasn't, and we fit. And with coilovers installed, we can finally cross something else off this list. Day 19. Feels kind of crazy to me. Day 19, that means tomorrow is 20, and we'll be on the final stretch. Oh. Man, that's crazy. Today, I'm beyond stoked that we actually were able to get parts and make forward progress with the truck. Even though installing coilovers isn't that much, it still feels pretty dang good to get those in there. I still have no word on the setup kit for the rear diff, and the fiberglass is still stuck in Calgary, so we'll see what goes on there. I have a feeling everything is going to come on like day 29 or 30, and I'm going to be up all day and all night getting this thing buttoned up. But I am totally prepared to do it. Anyways, guys, that about wraps up this week's episode of Dirt Garage. If you could do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button. And hey, make sure you subscribe because we are uploading daily until this truck is built. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Bye.